Friday. Today for math, you have a couple of different tests to take. The first test is your Fact Assessment 13-1. You will need a pencil for that, and that's all. Remember that this test is not timed, so take your time and go through. This is subtracting ones and subtracting zeros. The test that I thought we would go over together, though, is your Written Assessment 13. So for this, you will need to have your pencil. You will also need a ruler. And then that should be it for today. So pencil and ruler. Go ahead and get your name on your paper, and the date is January 8th, 2021. January 8th, 2021. Or you could have written as 1/8/21 or 1/08/21. Okay, remember that I can read this for you, but I cannot do it with you. So this is you showing me that you know what's going on. Please do not ask someone else in your household to help you with this. This is for you to show me how smart you are. Here's what number 1 says. Phil had 7 dimes. His brother gave him 2 dimes. How many dimes does Phil have now? You're going to write a number sentence, an answer, and then find out how much money it is. I'll read it one more time. Phil had 7 dimes. His brother gave him 2 dimes. How many dimes does Phil have now? Write your number sentence, put your answer, and then how many dimes. With those dimes, how much money are those dimes worth? That's what goes in that last line. All right, if you are not done with number 1, go ahead and pause. We're going to move on to number 2. Number 2 says, write these numbers in order. Write these numbers in order from least to greatest. From least to greatest. And here's your numbers. 48, 27, 25, 43, and 39. So take those numbers. The smallest, the least number goes here. The greatest goes over here. Okay, put them in order from least to greatest. Number 3. If you need more time, as you know, go ahead and pause. Number 3. Write the fractions that show what part is shaded. Okay. You have 2 of them here. Write the fractions that show what part is shaded. Number 4, you need to draw a 4-inch line segment. Okay, so number 4, draw a 4-inch line segment. Number 5, put a dot inside each angle. So put a dot inside each angle and count the number of angles in each shape. So after you put a dot inside of each of the angles, you say how many angles there were in this shape. Same thing with your triangle. Put a dot at each angle and how many angles are there. Okay, and then number 6 has different adding problems for you to do to show me that you know how we've done our adding. So we have a couple of 2-digit plus 2-digit adding problems. So go ahead and fill those in. Here's your one reminder that you're always starting over here. Please do not start here till you know what you've had going on in your penny spot. Remember that when you have cents, that's your penny spot. When there's no sense and it's just numbers, then it's called the one spot. Then down here, you have 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 equals, you have to find your answer. And over here, you have 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8. Remember to find your groups of 10 first. Your groups of 10 first. And then continue adding as you go. Okay? I know that you can do that on your own. You don't need me to sit on the computer with you for that. So when you are finished with this sheet, this is going to go into your Friday folder. Make sure that your written assessment as well as your fact assessment both get in the Friday folder. And when you are done with those two sheets, you are going to be done with your math for today.